SP500 daily time frame as gave warning in last video. Price has breakout this white trend line, and that is your clear breakout. And these three level 43.25 and 4100 and last one 37.95. These three are your key level for SP500 for next 3 months. And this week we have FOMC meeting and so many news before this week end, and you will see big price action. And if we do wave counting from this bottom, and if new high come breakout come after Fed FOMC meeting, then next target will be 43.25. And here on this level there are three things. First of all, this previous resistance which was made before Jackson Hole meeting, and 61% retracement of this bearish trend, and projection target for this wave C. So this area is a strong horizontal resistance, and if this level does not break this week after FOMC meeting, then this can be your ABC flat correction and price can return back to 37.95. And if that happen, that will be perfect to confuse everyone bulls and bear, and that will be perfect fake breakout of this trend line. And after that ABC correction, then it goes to 4300 level, because that bullish trend from bottom to top based on Fed rate pause, and after 25 basis point rate hike this week, this trend will end and countdown for bearish trend will begin. And everybody know on each rate cut cycle SP500 goes down, so do not make a mistake of buying at 4300 level. And since buyback blackout period will end, and if this level break before FOMC meeting and it gives you a retest entry, then you can buy directly to 4311 level. But next bearish wave depends on Fed FOMC meeting this week, and if they repeat soft landing once again, then there is a possibility that it can retest that previous high. But overall these three level are your key level this FOMC week. And long term I am still bearish on SP500, and until Fed announce QE monetary policy, I am bearish on SP500. And NASDAQ daily time frame, this was your triple bottom, and that horizontal support level survived, and price is now back at 50% retracement level of this last bearish wave. So next is 61% retracement level at 12,467, and this is 61% retracement level, and this is your last key resistance for NASDAQ. And if price retest both things at the same time with a big inverted hammer after FOMC meeting, then you can sell. But later this year in third and fourth quarter everything will clear that soft landing is not possible. And to make this possible, Fed will have to give clear signal for rate cut in fourth quarter. Dow Jones daily time frame, this is your trend line and upper trend line has been tested 3 times and lower trend line has been tested 2 times. This looks like ABCDE triangle, and if lower trend line retest again, then you can buy, but target believe 78% retracement of this bearish trend at 35 164. Or if you want to sell, because that is buy the rumor, sell the news that Fed will stop hiking interest rate, and that profit taking comes this week after FOMC. Then you can sell, but your SL should be above this trend line. Or if this trend line breaks, then you can buy retest, but target will be 78% retracement. But this white trend line after 3 retest is your key dynamic resistance. And back to SP500 daily time frame, and this is your sideways correction, and if this is chart pattern, then it will take many months, and before that chart pattern become clear. 43.25 are your key horizontal resistance level, but don't buy above 43.25 level because that is sale zone.